Hey guys, this is my 1952 Ford 8N tractor. I've done quite a few videos on this. Some of you may have watched already. Having a little issue here. It's underneath of it, and noticed something a little scary. And let's see if you can notice it. Well, it looks a little out of place there. The big crack underneath the transmission. Alright, let's see if we can get a better view there. And it goes almost up to the brake. That would be the brake for the left side. So, if you look closely, I would say that this has been here for quite some time. The good thing is there's not a lot of oil pooling out of it, which is nice. However, as you can see, it's quite a deep crack. Now, the only thing that I'm not certain of is if this has been repaired internally. If it hasn't been, this would be soaked with oil, and I would have no oil in the system. Now, I have checked the hydraulic fluid, and it's perfectly at the top where it should be on the dipstick. On the other side of the tractor, and as you can see, it's a little hard to tell on video, but you can see that somebody has done some welding on it to repair it. But it's quite concerning. This is something that I didn't notice. I have done a oil change and have been underneath of it, I guess. So I guess what it comes down to is, right now it's not leaking any fluid. I certainly don't want to live with the crack being there. So what I may end up doing is see if I can get this completely welded, the entire crack, on both sides. And I just hope it doesn't spread anymore. So that will be the next chore with the old 52 Ford 8N. It's one thing when you're buying an old tractor, you got to expect that they will come with their issues. Again, I've done a ton of work on this old gal, and this is just another little piece of the puzzle that I have to work on. So as much as that would discourage most people, don't let it. Everything can be fixed. I certainly don't want to have to split the tractor and end up replacing that piece. If it comes down to it, you got to do what you got to do. But I'm going to look at seeing if I can get that welded, and that will be the next chore. Anyways, guys, just a short video on another little issue with the tractor. Again, as much as it should be discouraging, it's not. We'll get this fixed. Again, the tractor works perfect. It's not leaking any fluids through the crack. So I'll certainly keep using it as is. No doubt that crack's been there for many years, and again, my fluids aren't going down, which is a really good sign. However, I certainly don't want this crack to get any worse, and I want this tractor to be around for another 60 or 70 years. So I'll certainly do my due diligence in my ownership of the tractor and get that fixed. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you may want to consider subscribing. I got a ton of videos on this old beast. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great night.